Two flights from South Africa brought Omicron to the heart of Holland last week. Paula Zimmerman was one of the passengers kept on the tarmac for 4 hours. More than 600 people on board were tested, and some Dutch residents like Paula quarantined at home.
There's somebody...
That's fine.
Hold on, Nick.
As she spoke to the ABC, authorities came to check she was still isolating.
It would be really weird if it is that contagious if I didn't have it. But, fingers crossed.
In the end, 14 people on the flights tested positive for the Omicron variant of the virus, but after analysing older samples, scientists realised it had actually arrived in the Netherlands more than a week earlier. A potentially fast-spreading strain is the last thing the country needs. COVID cases are already at record highs and intensive care beds are filling up.
Well, the situation is bleak. We admit 300 patients per day to hospital. So that means that hospitals are turning into bunkers again, are going into war medicine.
1/3 of the European population is not vaccinated. These are 150 million people. It is understandable and appropriate to lead this discussion now, how we can encourage and potentially think about mandatory vaccination within the European Union.
It's not known how much protection the current vaccines will offer against Omicron, but the World Health Organization says we'll soon have more clarity on how fast it spreads.
We expect to have more information on transmission within days, not necessarily weeks, but in days.
Here in Britain, the Prime Minister's hoping an accelerated vaccine booster program will be enough to save Christmas after it was all but cancelled last year. But Boris Johnson will need the public to obey tighter restrictions if Omicron starts causing problems. And that's why his own conduct here at Number 10 is facing fresh scrutiny.
While people were banned from seeing their loved ones at Christmas last year, it was fine for him and his friends to throw a boozy party in Downing Street.
All guidance was followed completely during Number 10.
He says there'll be enough good cheer to go around this year.
Do you think this Christmas is going to be considerably better than last Christmas?
Yeah! A wish the whole world will be hoping comes true. Nick Dole, ABC News, London.